this day Kalpana here. In this video we are going to see a problem from exponential series. So let's get going. Problem: find the sum of the series 1 plus 2 cubed by 1 factorial into x plus 3 cubed by 2 factorial into x square plus so on. So this is a series, right? Given series. So we need to find the sum of the given series. So let 2 cubed by 1 factorial into x plus 3 cubed by 2 factorial into x square plus so on be s. Then the given series is 1 plus s, right? We are given the series 1 plus s. Okay. So we have let s equals to, right? So we have first term, second term and so on. Let's consider or represent the first term by t1 and second term by t2. Then t1 equals to 2 cubed by 1 factorial into x and t2 equals to 3 cubed by 2 factorial into x square. Likewise, we'll get t3, that is third term, equals to 4 cubed. So you have power 3 common. Okay. 4 cubed, 2, 3. So next number will be 5. Here you're having 1 factorial, 2 factorial. So obviously you'll get 3 factorial here. And you have x in the first term, x square in the second term. So third term. In the third term you'll get x cubed. Likewise, for n, so on, nth term will be, let's consider 3 as n, then you'll get n factorial in the denominator and x power n, and in the numerator you'll get 4, that is n. If n equals to 3, then in the numerator you'll get n plus 1 whole cube. Okay, since we are having cube common in all the terms, right? So this will be your nth term. Then if you put n equals to 1, you have to get t1. So let's check. Substitute n equals to 1 in RHS, then you'll get 1 plus 1 whole cube by 1 factorial into x power n, which is equals to 1 plus 1 2 cube by 1 factorial into x, our first term, right? If you put n equals to 2, we should get the second term. So let's see. Put n equals to 1 in RHS. Put n equals to 2, sorry. N equals to 2 in the RHS, then you'll get 2 plus 1 whole cube by n factorial. That is 2 factorial into x square, which is equals to 2 plus 1, 3 cube by 2 factorial into x square. So, second term. Next, if you put n equals to 3, you need to get third term. For n equals to 3, 3 plus 1 whole cube by 3 factorial into x cube equals to 4 cube by 3 factorial into x cube. The third term. Right? Fine. So we have nth term. Then we can write this s as summation Tn for n equals to 1 to infinity, right? We can write this total series as summation n equals to 1 to infinity Tn, right? Then this equals to n equals to 1 to infinity n plus 1 whole cube by n factorial into x power n, right? S equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity Tn. So we have S equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity Tn, for Tn equals to n plus 1 whole cube by n factorial into x power n. Okay, fine. take Tn equals to, let's consider Tn, which is equals to n plus 1 whole cube by n factorial into x power n. In the numerator, you are having n plus 1 whole cube, right? Which is of a plus b whole cube form. And the expansion of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? And this equals to n cube plus 1 cube plus 3a, okay, 3a square b plus 3ab square by n factorial into x power n. This is equals to n cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into n square into 1 is 3n square plus 3 into n into 1 square is 1, so you'll get 3n by n factorial into x power n. Right? So again you can write this as n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1 by n factorial into x power n. Now we can take n common from the first three terms of numerator. Then this equals to n into n square plus 3n plus 3 plus fourth term by n factorial into x power n. So you have Tn equals to n into n square plus 3n plus 3 plus 1 by n factorial into x power n. So this is your first term and this is your second term, right? In the numerator you are having two terms and in the denominator you are having one term. So you can express the total expression to, you can split the total expression to two terms, right? N into n square plus 3n plus 3 by n factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by n factorial into x square. Okay, n into n square plus 3n plus 3 by n factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x square. In order to cancel this n, we'll change this n factorial. We know that n factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n, right? And also we know that n minus 1 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 1. So you can replace 1 into 2 into so on into n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, then we'll get n factorial equals to n minus 1 factorial into n, right? Now you can replace this n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into n. So you'll get n into n square plus 3n plus 3 by n minus 1 factorial into n plus 1 by n factorial into x square. So here you'll cancel n, then we'll get n square plus 3n plus 3 by n minus 1 factorial. Okay. So this is equals to n square plus 3n plus 3 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x square. Since we are having n minus 1 factorial in the denominator of the first term, so what we'll do is we'll change the numerator in terms of n minus 1. Okay. This is our Tn, right? So we are going to change the numerator n square plus 3n plus 3 in terms of n minus 1 by using division method. N minus 1, here you are having n square, right? So n minus 1 into n equals to n square minus n. N minus 1 into n is n square minus n. Now change the signs, you'll get cancel n square. Then you'll get 3n plus n is 4n plus 3. In the first term you're having 4 times n. So you have to multiply 4 to this divisor. N minus 1 into 4 equals to 4n minus 4. So you have plus, so put plus. N minus 1 into 4 is 4n minus 4. Now change the signs. Cancel 4n. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. We know that divisor into quotient plus remainder gives dividend. Let's check. So divisor into quotient plus remainder is equals to n into n, n square, plus n into 4, 4n, minus 1 into n, minus n, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, plus 7 equals to n square plus 4n minus n is 3n, minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3, which is our dividend. So you can replace n square plus 3n plus 3 by this. Okay. That is n minus 1 into n plus 4 plus 7. Okay. Since n square plus 3n plus 3 equals to n minus 1 into n plus 4 plus 7, then Tn becomes, now replace this numerator of first term by n minus 1 into n plus 4 plus 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x square. Now you can write this as, consider this as one term and this as second term. Now we'll split this first term or the first fraction into two fractions. N minus 1 into n plus 4 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x square. You're having n minus 1 here. We'll change this n plus 4 in terms of n minus 2. Okay, we need to change, simply we need to change the numerator in terms of n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on, right? Since you're having n minus 1 already, so we'll change this n plus 4 in terms of n minus 2. So equals to n minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 will be a 4, right? Minus 2, since minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So now we'll replace this n plus 4 by n minus 2 plus 6, so that we can consider n minus 2 as one number and 6 as another number. So this equals to n minus 1 into, now replace n plus 4 by n minus 2 plus 6, n minus 2 plus 6 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x square. Okay. Then Again we'll split this. So you can write this as n minus 1 into n minus 2 by n minus 1 factorial plus 6 into n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial into x squared. See, you have x power n, right? This is not square n, sorry. Fine. We have Tn equals to n plus 1 whole cube by n factorial into x power n. Fine. So this equals to x power n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by n minus 1 factorial plus 6 into x power n into n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 into x power n into 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n into 1 by n factorial. Since you are having n minus 1 in the numerator, in order to cancel n minus 1 from the numerator, we'll change the denominator. We know that n minus 1 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 2 into n minus 1, right? And also we know that 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 2 can be written as n minus 2 factorial. Then we can replace 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 2 by n minus 2 factorial, right? Then n minus 1 factorial will be n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1. Now we'll replace this n minus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1. And in the numerator of the second term also we have n minus 1. So in order to cancel this n minus 1 from the numerator, we'll change or replace n minus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1. Okay. Now this becomes Tn equals to x power n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by, replace n minus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 plus 6 into x power n into n minus 1 by, replace n minus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 and write the remaining steps as it is, that is plus 7 into x power n into 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n into 1 by n factorial. Okay, so now you can cancel n minus 1. Then this equals to x power n into n minus 2 by n minus 2 factorial plus 6 into x power n into 1 by n minus 2 factorial plus 7 into x power n into 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n into 1 by n factorial. Okay, so here in the first term, in the numerator of the first term, you have n minus 1 minus 2, n minus 2. In order to cancel this n minus 2, we'll replace n minus 2 factorial. Since n minus 2 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 into n minus 2, right? And we know that n minus 3 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3. So we can replace 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 by n minus 3 factorial. Then we'll get n minus 2 factorial equals to n minus 3 factorial into n minus 2. So here we'll replace n minus 2 factorial by n minus 3 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, so that you can cancel n minus 2 from the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So this becomes x power n into n minus 2 by, replace n minus 2 factorial by n minus 3 factorial into n minus 2 plus all the three terms as it is, 6 into x power n into 1 by n minus 2 factorial plus 7 into x power n into 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n into 1 by n factorial. Now cancel n minus 2 from the first term, then you'll get Tn equals to x power n by n minus 3 factorial plus 6 into x power n by n minus 2 factorial plus 7 into x power n by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n by n factorial. Okay. So this is our Tn, right? Now we'll replace Tn in this. We have S equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity Tn. Now replace this Tn, then you'll get S equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity of x power n by n minus 3 factorial plus 6 into x power n by n minus 2 factorial plus 7 into x power n by n minus 1 factorial plus x power n by n factorial. This equals to, see, you're having n minus 3 factorial. So for the first term, n runs from 3 to infinity. Okay. If you take any number less than 3, you'll get negative. See, if you take 2, you'll get 2 minus 3 factorial, which is equals to minus 1 factorial, right? You should not get any negative numbers. So we'll take n equals to 3 to infinity for the first term. And in the second term, you're having n minus 2 factorial. So here n runs from 2 to infinity. For the third term, n runs from 1 to infinity. Okay. So this equals, now we are going to apply the summation for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. Then summation x power n by n minus 3 factorial plus summation 6 into x power n by n minus 2 factorial plus summation 7 into x power n by n minus 1 factorial plus summation x power n by n factorial. Simply we are applying summation for the all the 4 terms. Okay. So for the first term, n takes from 3 to infinity. Second term, for the first term summation, n takes 2 to infinity. And for the third term, n takes 1 to infinity. And fourth term, n takes 1 to infinity. Okay. we have s equals to summation n equals to 3 to infinity x power n by n minus 3 factorial plus summation n equals to 2 to infinity 6 into x power n by n minus 2 factorial plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity 7 into x power n by n minus 1 factorial plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity x power n by n factorial. Since we are having n minus 3 factorial in the denominator, we need to get n in terms of n minus 3 here. So we'll change we'll add and subtract plus 3 to the power of x. Okay. Here you're having n minus 2 in the denominator. So we'll change this n in terms of n minus 2. So that we'll add, subtract and add 2. And here you're having n minus 1. So we'll subtract and add 1. Okay. Again, you can write this as summation n equals to 3 to infinity x power n minus 3 into x cube by n minus 3 factorial plus summation n equals to 2 to infinity 6 into x power n minus 2 into x square by n minus 2 factorial plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity 7 into x power n minus 1 into x power 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus last term summation n equals to 1 to infinity x power n by n factorial. Then s becomes summation n equals to 3 to infinity x power n minus 3 by n minus 3 factorial into x cube plus summation n equals to 2 to infinity x power n minus 2 by n minus 2 factorial into 6 into x square plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity 7 into x power n x into x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus fourth term as it is. Summation n equals to 1 to infinity x power n by n factorial. Okay. Here you can take x cube out of the summation, then you'll get x cube into summation n equals to 3 to infinity, into x power n minus 3 by n minus 3 factorial plus, take this outside the summation, you'll get 6x square into summation n equals to 2 to infinity into x power n minus 2 by n minus 2 factorial plus take 7x outside the summation, then you get 7x into summation n equals to 1 to infinity x power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity x power n by n factorial. Then s equals to x cube into, for n equals to 3 to infinity x power 3 minus 3 by 3 minus 3 factorial plus x power for n equals to 4. 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 factorial plus x power 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 factorial plus so on. Expand the second term plus 6x square into for n equals to 2, 3 and 4. For n equals to 2, we'll get x power 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 2 factorial. For n equals to 3, x power 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 factorial plus for n equals to 4, you'll get x power 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 2 factorial plus so on plus 7x into for n equals to 1, 2, 3. For n equals to 1, you'll get x power 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 factorial plus for n equals to 2, x power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial, x power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial plus for x equals to 3, 3 minus 1, x power 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial plus so on plus for n equals to 1, 2 and 3, you'll get x power 1 by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus x cubed by 3 factorial plus so on. Right? Then s equals to x cube into x power 3 minus 3 is x power 0 by 3 minus 3 factorial 0 factorial plus x power 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, that is x power 1 by 4 minus 3 1 factorial plus x power 5 minus 3 x square by 5 minus 3 2 factorial plus so on plus 6x square into x power 2 minus 2 0 by 2 minus 2 factorial 0 factorial plus x power 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3 minus 2 1 factorial plus x power 4 minus 2 is 4 x square. 4 minus 2 is 2, sorry, 4 minus 2 is 2, so you'll get x square by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial plus so on plus 7x into x power 1 minus 1 0 by 1 minus 1 0 factorial plus x power 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 minus 1 1 factorial plus x power 3 minus 1 2 by 3 minus 1 2 factorial plus so on plus x power 1 x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. Again, you can write this as s equals to x cube into x power 0 is 1 by 0 factorial is 1, since 0 factorial equals to 1 plus x power 1 1 by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus so on plus 6x square into x power 0 1 by 0 factorial 1 plus x power 1 is x by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus so on plus 7x into x power 0 is 1 by 0 factorial is 1 plus x power 1 is x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. Since e power x equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. Okay. Here you have 1 by 1, right? 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial is e power x. So we'll replace it by e power x. The next step, we'll get x cube into, which is e power x plus 6x square into 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on is e power x plus 7x into 1 plus x by 1 factorial, which is, we can replace this by e power x, plus in this you have x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on, right? Since e power x equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. So from this we'll get, then take this 1 to LHS, then you'll get e power x minus 1 equals to x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on. Right? Then we can replace this x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on by e power x minus 1. Okay? Then this equals to x cube into e power x plus 6x square into e power x plus 7x into e power x plus e power x minus 1. You're having e power x in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms, right? So take e power x common from these 4 terms, then you'll get e power x into x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1 and the last term as it is. So we have s equals to e power x into x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1 minus 1. Therefore, s equals to e power x into or of x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1 minus 1. Since we have the series, right, we are given the series and we are asked to find the sum of the series 1 plus 2 cube by 1 factorial plus 3 cube, 1 factorial into x, right, plus 3 cube by 2 factorial into x square plus so on, which is equals to 1 plus s, right? Now replace s, we are having s, right? E power x of x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1 minus 1. So now we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. Then you'll get e power x into x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1. So this is the required sum of the given series. Therefore, the sum of the series 1 plus 2 cube by 1 factorial plus 1 factor into x plus 3 cube by 2 factor into x square plus so on is x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 1 into e power x. This completes the problem. We have seen a big problem in this video. Hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.